What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video, and today we're going to be looking at the R30. It's a powerful soundbar that you can purchase on Amazon, and it has 7 LED lights, and I thought it would be pretty cool to check this out, because I know you guys like to save money, and this thing is pretty freaking cheap. It says great sound quality, it's USB powered, RGB, 7 colors, RGB glowing lights. Not exactly sure how this is going to hook up to whatever you're using it with, but we're going to figure that out. We're going to do a quick unboxing for this, and then I'm going to test it out with some of my products, and I'm going to let you know what I think about it. I did receive this product for review from an Amazon seller, so just putting that out there, I did receive this product for review, so we're going to be taking a look at it. I thought it was pretty cool. At the very least, I might use it for my Xbox, because I do have Bose computer speakers that were a lot more expensive. They have a subwoofer, and they're a little more capable than something like this. So I'm pretty excited to check this out, guys. I'm excited to get back to the videos. I've had a lot going on between the breakup and the coronavirus. I'm single now, as of right now. I don't know how long that's gonna last, because, you know, I'm a hot ticket and all that, you know, so. But anyways, I'm single, getting right back into the videos. We're gonna unbox this thing, take a look at it, and see if it's worth your hard-earned money. While we're going through this coronavirus thing, I wish all your families well. Although it's going to be a little bit difficult, we are going to get through this, guys. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys, and I'd greatly appreciate if you hit the subscribe button, followed by the notification bell. We're here in front of the R30 powerful soundbar with brilliant light effects. It says great sound quality, USB powered, 7 color RGB light, and it's by a company called Soul Lion. Not much to the box here, but not bad packaging. We've got the specifications for the actual product right here. 10 watts, speaker 2" by 2, frequency range, and all that good stuff is right there. There is going to be no remote with this. I think it's more used for a computer speaker. Tab right here. Okay, so immediately greeted with a little cardboard in the packaging there. And slide this out. I smelled it as soon as it came out of the plastic. It definitely smells like, it smells like Pokemon cards. I love it. I think this looks pretty sleek. We've got some type of quality assurance here. And we've got LED on and off. And I wonder how you change the function. Okay, so right here is where you got your power knob. And it's got a nice click to it for the power on. I like that. Very nice. Okay, the cord doesn't look to be super long, but it looks to be long enough, and you've got an LED button on or off. Now I've got to say, I do enjoy the look of this soundbar. I think it's pretty sleek looking. For the price, it's pretty awesome. The grill does not seem weak. I am pressing on it, and it doesn't seem to be breaking through or anything. And you've got some little felt support for the bottom there, so the soundbar is going to sit on your desk. So the cable looks to be about 4 feet long. I would say you've got your USB and you've got a regular auxiliary port right here. So this will work for a pass-through for the computer, and would also work with my other computer speakers. So if I did want to test this on PC, I could. And it looks like you can actually separate these further, but you can actually do that all the way down. The wires don't seem super high quality, but they'll definitely get the job done. So as you can see, the lighting effects are on, and what actually happens is they actually just change. I would like the ability to actually set to one color, but it looks like it's just gonna go. Yep, so as soon as you power it on, the LED is gonna come on. So as you can see, the lights are just changing color there. So once you turn the soundbar off, the light turns off. Once you turn it on, the light turns on. Instructions are pretty much in Chinese, except for this one page on the back here. And it just says front panel, back panel, 7 glowing lights. Not very thorough. Okay, yeah, so I think they definitely serve their purpose. They definitely work. I do get a little feedback, though. Getting a little feedback. Not much. I don't even know if you can hear it, but... And I've tried 2 different ports right now. But overall, I think it's a pretty good speaker for the money. Let's see how much this is costing right now. $30. I mean, it's not bad. You get two 5-watt speakers. That little feedback is a little bit annoying, but it's not too bad, I would say. I think it's a pretty good buy for 30 bucks, and if you just need something really cheap, this will definitely get you by. And it looks amazing.